Just kidding. Let's talk about trends on Redbubble. The last three trends are really going to surprise you, so stay until the end because that's what I'm going to talk about, those ones. For now, let's get started with the first trend. So the first trend is Lexi Hensler. Who the hell is Lexi Hensler? Let's go do a quick Google search of Lexi Hensler. Who are you? Okay. Lexi Hensler is a YouTuber with 2.1 million subscribers. That is who she is. And Lexi Hensler is an American model and actress and influencer who has gained fame thanks to her YouTube channel and Instagram. She regularly takes to Instagram to post pictures from recent photo shoots. Before fame, she posted her first video to YouTube in April 2014. Trivia! She has trained with acting coaches. This is ridiculously boring and I do not care. So, I'm going to move swiftly on, but I just want to say, I don't necessarily think it's a good idea to go for something like this because regardless if they're an A-lister or a Z-lister, going for someone's personal identity in a design, I don't know if that's allowed and I don't want to be involved in it if that is allowed or isn't allowed. Let's quickly clarify before we go to the next one, how do you know if something is actually trending? Well, if you ever see this line, you know it's trending and hopefully it's going up, up, up. Moving on. Retired under new management, see wife for details. Or retired under new management, see spouse for details. This is a heavy, heavy trend. How many results does this have? This has 1,205 results, which means the competition is way low. What I see with this trend is there are so many different designs. You've got, firstly, so many different people trying out this design, and you've got this design, this design, this design, this design. There's a lot of different designs, which means there is room for you. But not only that, I don't see any graphics in any of these designs. These designs aren't particularly good. They're okay. This is a good one, right? That's probably the best one I can see. But there's definitely room for you to go in and just dominate it with a very, very good design. Moving on to Wild Like My Curl. Let's have a look at that trend. The trend being Wild Like My Curls. You see that beautiful trend line? That is what we're looking for. Wild Like My Curls has a lot of different designs. This one is shocking. And these ones are also shocking. However, they are doing really, really well apparently. There's 1,016 results, which means not that much competition. However, this is an interesting, very, very, very niched trend. Regardless, let's see if we can compete. So, Wild Like My Curls. This is a go-to. Just the words. Wild Like My Curls. Not so interesting. Could we make a better design? Could we add some graphics? Who knows? Let's do a quick search. Doing a simple search of vexels, which is a tool that I use now to find my vectors. I've just searched curls and that hasn't really shown up so much. Let me search curls hair. Curls hair, that's cool. That could be a cool Wild Like My Curls because it's also like wild flowers. In fact, what you could do is you could easily edit that in Photoshop and put whatever you want inside the hair. You can get rid of the flowers and make something wild happen. That could be quite cool. In fact, you could easily put some cool wild animal inside this person's hair. And it can literally be wild like my curls. That could be quite cool. Haven't seen anyone do it. The next trend is eat, drink, and be... Whatever the hell that means. I don't make up these trends. Eat, drink, and be meowy. You can see that beautiful trend line that we love so much. Well, what is going on here? Eat, drink, and be meowy. There's not that many of them. Eat, drink, be meowy. There's only 1,275 results, so very low competition, which is really good. And the designs are pretty shocking. Eat, drink, and be meowy. That's pretty decent. This one's also okay. That's a freaky-ish cat. We could make it a lot better. we could make it a lot better. Now, if you want to know what the hell that means, anyone who likes cats, let me know in the comments, what does it mean to be eat, drink, and be meowy? Oh, I get that cats eat and drink. Are they being meowy? Let's move on to the next trend. And we've now come to the three trends that you really wanted to find out about, because we're approaching the end of this video. And what are those three trends? Well, these trends are special. These trends are niches that are still trending from last week. So if you haven't started selling t-shirts in those niches, then go for it. And those three are as follows. Number one being, I paused my game to be here. Number two being, hang on, let me overthink this. And number three being, life is full of important choices. That really cool golfing t-shirt that you could also use for guitars and for many other things. Those are the three trends that are still trending from last week and the week before. So don't worry if you haven't got into them yet, you've still got time to get into them. And that's it for this Redbubble trend video. Let me know in the comments down below what you thought of this video. It took me quite a while to shoot and edit, but it was so much fun and I really hope it was engaging. I hope you enjoyed it. So let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video.